Good morning, besties. Happy New Year. I told myself this year I was gonna get ready more for videos, put on some makeup. I didn't, but I'm here filming. So you know what? It's only January what? I think it's the 6th, the 5th, the 1st? I don't even know. But I wanted to hop on the camera before I just didn't film at all today. I had an appointment that got pushed back, and then I ended up just enjoying the cold weather on my porch, and that's how my day started. So it was a little bit different, but it's nice and cool right now. It's like, I want to say it's 40 degrees out, so that's amazing. Look at all the art that my babies did for me, my nieces, on my fridge. So here's the deal. I need to have a New Year's reset. I need to reset my life. I want to feel fresh. I want to feel in control of what I'm doing, even though I didn't get much done so far since the new year started, but that's okay. Small baby steps, small progress. That's what I'm aiming for. I want a goal set. I want to get ready so I'm not wearing pajamas, and I just want to feel ready for a fresh start. Good morning. This is our breakfast. Nope, that's mommy's coffee. That's mommy's coffee. Yeah. I love you. I love you, B. Okay, first significant progress of this whole video, we've caught up on laundry. I cannot tell you how excited I am. This has been a long time coming. What I didn't show you is that I washed all of my bedding, so that's completely done. All the clothes are done. I do have a load going into the dryer right now and a load in the wash, so we need to finish that up, but other than that, we're caught up. There's a beautiful start to 2025. That was my reset goal number 1. Reset goal number 2 is to clean the kitchen, and I'm gonna warn you, it is not looking too hot. Our physical glow up is going to be coming next week because this week we still need to focus on the house and getting our environment all glowed up and ready for the new year. So I was working on this in between work and cleaning, and this is something super exciting. I have been working on a newsletter for you all. This is new to this new year. I've never done this before. This is in addition to everything else I am bringing you with the videos and the blog. I need to start doing my blog posts, I know, but it's still up. This newsletter is called the Melissa Edit, and it's going to be a monthly sort of toolkit guide on what's going on in my life, any popular links that I want to show you, or like products that I'm really enjoying, updates, behind the scenes, things I haven't showed you yet, all of that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna pull it up, and this is the only month I'm gonna give you a glimpse of what it looks like before it launches. It should be launched by the time that this video goes out. Now, mind you, I'm still working on it. It is not ready to go yet. You guys will get the completed file, obviously, when it goes live. However, let me show you what I have so far. Okay, here is the preview of the Melissa Edit. And like I said, I haven't done any of the animations yet or any of the final touches. So the version that you will get the link to will be a little bit different than what I'm showing you now, but I wanted to walk you through it. So on the first of every month, I'm going to be releasing the Melissa Edit. And as you can see, it's going to be a monthly edit filled with content to give yourself a little extra love. I explain what the edit is in more detail. I'm going to put the places that you can find me on the edit, and it's going to be like a link. So what you can do is print the entirety of the Melissa Edit, or you can just bookmark it. You can just look at it like a website, but there's some really cool features. You can jump to different parts of my edit. If you go to the January overview, it'll take you exactly to the different places that I've outlined in the overview. So I'm sharing some recipes with you. Now, when I share the recipes with you, they are all recipes that I've tried, that are tested by me, that I like them. Some have even been made by me, and you'll be able to tell which ones were made by me because it'll take you to the blog. But I wanted to do recipes this month that are more of a meal prep style. I also made you some printables. So a lot of you have been seeing how I've been doing my planner, and I made you a printable that is like my planner. It's a little bit different, but it's the basic gist of everything that I plan my day with. And then also I added a sticker printable because I have been loving my stickers. I am a sticker maniac right now. I have so many sticker books. I use them from a ton of different brands to integrate into my planner, but I also have a section that allows you to go to different videos that I've filmed so you can stay caught up. This is the January reset routine that I am following, and you can follow it too if you want. I'm deep cleaning my kitchen today, meal prepping tomorrow, catch up on laundry. That's what we've done this entire video. Set my goals for the year. We're still gonna do that. Break down my January goals, create a vision board, do a hair mask and exfoliate, and then celebrate all the hard work that we've done to reset for the year. This is also a resource where I can link some of the favorite products that I've had over the past month. Some of these were Christmas presents that I got this year, like the kettlebells are absolutely amazing. I found 2 new hair care products that I love from Act and Acre. The Tatcha lip mask has been saving me. I'm not wearing it now, but I should be. This candle warmer is amazing. It's beautiful. And I also want to do a style and scent spotlight. So I obviously love scents. I love fragrance. I love candles, anything scent related and anything cozy fashion related, I'm all about. So I added that into here. And I do want to mention that the layout is going to change from month to month. I want to give you as much value as possible, give you as many resources as possible. And it's just something else that I can use to connect with you all. Additionally, throughout the month, I added some pup pictures, and then I'm always want to give you a looking ahead so you know what's coming with Mel Brie life, with my YouTube channel, with my blog, anything, you know, that's relatable, I'm going to put there. And then I hope you have a happy new year. So this is the Melissa edit. I am so excited to share more with you. So much love and hard work has gone into this. I hope you guys enjoy it. I really do. I am going to be setting up a way for it to, like, for the link of the newsletter to be emailed directly to you. I do have that functionality on my website. You can like sign up to my newsletter and then this can get sent to you monthly. I just need to set it up. I haven't done that yet. So if you are interested in having this sent out as a newsletter monthly, as opposed to just being put on my YouTube community tab, let me know. I think having it sent out to email would probably work best for people. I should probably put it on Instagram. That isn't a direct goal for January or February even, or March, but I do want to get more into Instagram posting. I want to say the second half of the year. Right now I'm focusing on getting consistent with YouTube again and doing all the stuff that I need to do. And the whole edit thing is just, it honestly is really fun for me. It's a way for me to flex my creative muscles. I love it. I can just put together a bunch of different things that I love together all in one area, and hopefully it helps you. That's the biggest goal here, is to provide you with more value and just helpful resources from my channel that are free. That's another thing, totally free. If you guys like the printables, please let me know. I worked hard on them, and the sticker one is so good. I love it so much. All you have to do is click on the printable. It'll take you to another page, and then you can just right click and print. So it's super easy. But that is the Melissa edit. I'm so excited to launch it. It will be going live on the 1st of every month going forward. This one was a little bit later just because I've had a lot going on with like the surgery and stuff, but she's ready now. I am going to link this in my description box, and I'm also going to pin it as a comment on this video and put it in my community tab. So everybody should get blasted. Well, you're not gonna get blasted with this information, but if you want to look for it, you'll be able to find it. And again, like I said, hopefully I can get it into a newsletter format for your email pretty soon. But yeah, I'm so freaking excited. Oh my gosh, this is bringing me so much joy.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You're stronger than the others think, and who cares if you might mess it up? Shine, go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
Hello besties, we meet again. So we got a lot accomplished. I got my bedding done. I got so much laundry done. I started my vision board, but I didn't fully flesh it out. So we're gonna have to do that in next video. But I have an appointment and then I need to get work done. So I'm gonna have to stop filming because I need to edit this because it is Friday and it goes up today. So I have a lot to do. I gotta get this video up, but please don't forget to check out the Melissa edit. I worked really hard on it. I hope you like it. And I think next week we're gonna do a little bit more refreshing, a little bit more my January reset, but I really need to focus on the cleaning this time. Anyway, I love you all. Don't forget to give yourself a little extra love today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.